Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy on paper using an easy method. First, gather your tools: blank paper, a variety of colored pencils, and a good anatomy atlas. Next, select a specific anatomical system, like the skeletal system, or a region, such as the hand, to concentrate on. Before you start drawing, take about 5 to 10 minutes to review the basic structures and their functions from your atlas. This initial understanding is crucial for effective learning. Now let's get drawing. Start by sketching the anatomical structures freehand onto your paper. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on capturing the correct shapes and their relative positions. Using colored pencils can be incredibly helpful here. For example, use red for arteries and blue for veins. As you draw, immediately label each structure with its correct name. This active labeling reinforces your memory and helps you connect the visual with the terminology. To truly solidify your understanding, it's time to test yourself. Take your original drawings and create blank versions, then try to label them from memory. This active recall is a powerful learning technique. Supplement this with flashcards for key terms, definitions, and functions. For instance, you might have a card for the femur on one side and its description on the other. Review these materials consistently, perhaps every 2 or 3 days, to embed the information deeply. Finally, connect your anatomical knowledge to the bigger picture. Think about how each structure functions within the body and its relevance in real-world scenarios. Discussing your drawings and concepts with a study partner can also be incredibly beneficial, as explaining things aloud helps clarify your thoughts. Aim to practice drawing and labeling for at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. Consistent engagement is key to building a robust and lasting understanding of anatomy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.